So here's the new desk. I do really like it. I really like the light feature on it. You have this top shelf that will actually hold your monitors for you. You've got your outlet over here, and you can plug in 4 plugs, and then you have 2 for the USB. The desk features 3 drawers across the top. It's 6 drawers total, 3 across the top. The ones across the top are pretty large, as you can see here. Then you have 3 down the side. Those are a bit smaller, but they still hold quite a bit. I will walk around and show you the back. For the back, because I was going to have the desk not facing a wall, it's facing an open area, there's a lot of cords, so I just went ahead and bought some different materials to hide the cords as best as I could. And of course, I bought this little rack that goes underneath, and it just clips on to kind of hide some of the wires. The desk wasn't exactly hard to assemble, but it wasn't easy either. The instructions were not very clear. They were pictures, which is fine, but some of the pictures were very deceiving, and so it could become a little bit complicated at times. So they should have probably added some verbiage to it. You have this top desk, the top shelf, and they are held on with these screws right here. So you have 4 areas for screws. Here's one on the end. You have one in the center, another in the center, and another on the end. The biggest problem that I had with this, and I would have given it a 5 had it not been for this, but these right here, these bars in the center, they have screw holes here. However, there's none on the back side. So it did not come with that. So the top shelf actually started to bend in the middle quite a bit. So I had to put this little white box underneath it to actually keep it very sturdy. But otherwise, I really love the desk. It's very nice, fairly enough room for me. So there you have it.
Alrighty, just finished putting together this desk. A couple of things that I saw that I didn't really like. This fit and finish is really quite poor. I don't recall seeing any of this in the pictures. I know that in order to make it reversible, you have to have a certain amount of play. But these rails sticking out, these end caps not being capped off, these fabric drawers are alright. They're a little flimsy. But the biggest thing that I was frustrated about is this is the power for the light bar, and in any of the pictures it shows this and it shows the light going on, but it surely doesn't show it reaching up and plug it into the top. I feel like there should have been a USB plug under here that you could hide it from. Overall, okay. Desk is decent quality. There are other desks out there that are a little cheaper and better quality. Same thing with these holes down here because it's adjustable. Easy fix. They should have just sent it with plugs or something. But anyway, okay quality. I don't know if I'd buy this one again.